Hi, Leah, my sewing room here. I am super excited. We got our floor model Bernina L850 serger in today, and I'm gonna unbox it and see what's in the box. I'm so excited. These are brand new to Canada. Oh, I love it when they give me packing instructions. This will make it so much easier to put everything back away afterwards. As we continue to open, find all our goodies. We have a soft cover for the machine. A Bernina foot control. Has the kickback feature, which is going to help you with air threading, as well as raising and lowering your needles as you're stitching. A trim trap or cutoff spin. A box of thread. Beautiful Ceracore from Metler. Lovely serger thread. It's not going to go back in the box. In with our manual and this Ziploc bag here. We've got a stitch chart, which will show you all the stitches this machine can make. The L850 is an overlocker only, serger only, and it will do 2 thread, 3 thread, and 4 thread stitches, as well as a threading diagram. Your warranty card to be filled out online at Bernina Canada. Current copy of the Bernina accessory guide. This will cover accessories for the sergers as well as all the current models in the Bernina sewing machine lineup. And then your Bernina L850 user guide. Next up, we have a power cord. You'll note this is the same end on it as most of the Bernina sewing machines. It'll make it easy to set up your sewing room and move machines around if necessary. And the Bernina freehand system, or the knee lift, one of my favorite things to have on every machine I sew with. Getting down into our next layer of styrofoam, I'm guessing is our machine. Before we pull the machine out of the box, we've got a lovely storage tin that contains a fair number of the machine accessories that you'll commonly use, including thread cones, spool caps, the mystery piece of plastic. We might need to read the user guide. Torx screwdriver. Thread nets. Wire guide, wire threader. This will be in case your air threading system gets clogged with a little bit of lint. And a bottle of oil to keep your machine nice and lubricated as you stitch. We'll remove our slide-on table, which extends your work surface, makes it easier to manage your projects. And then lifting by the handle, you can pull the machine straight upwards. The styrofoam sticking through the throat of the machine can be removed from the back. And then we can remove all the packing materials on the machine itself. She is nearly ready to go. To get in and see the threading system, you're going to open the first door. Inside the first door for the looper covers, you'll have your lint brush, your threading tool, your screwdriver for your needles, tweezers, and a set of needles. Sliding your second door open will reveal the remainder of the threading pathway. Stay tuned for another video when we set up the machine and get serging on it.